Right now I have been jotting down about the universality of linkages. That linkages make every particle, every atom, every molecule, every form and design and structure and setting of matter. Why linkages are very important in human perception is because without that ongoing perception of linkages, about things and events, feelings and experiences and people happening around, there cannot be the so-called living at the moment. There cannot be the possibility of the so-called creative and original perception. Get the point?
Yeah.
For example, when we did that program at Infosys, remember?
Yes.
The 3-day program at Infosys ILI, Infosys Leadership Institute.
Yes.
All the 3 days from morning 9 to about 7 to 8 o'clock, they were all listening keen. Wherever we were together, there was kind of an interaction happening. And on the 3rd day, one of them said, "Sir, you didn't say anything new for the last 3 days." That's very interesting. Of course, I didn't say anything new. I was giving them a different structure of linkages of whatever they knew. That new creative perception was there. Otherwise, how could they sit, especially this guy, could sit so attentively throughout the 3 days? Right? You were also there, Swami.
Yeah.
Remember that dialogue?
Yeah.
I was providing an engage. That is the difference between training and teaching, you know. In teaching, you are providing a new subject. Its theories, its principles, its formula, its descriptions and explanations and interpretations. Something new, of course. Whereas in training, we are providing a perception in terms of concepts which they have already learned or familiar with. A perception of the significant experiences they have had. A perception of rediscovered significance of certain events and episodes in their life which they had taken for granted or forgotten. Right? And we provide them an edited, revised, new structure of perception. Like by every editing you make a composition better. That's what training is.
Yeah.
The muscle power, the willpower, the initiative, that is within him or her, like our Mandra Rishika. She has the tendency to understand the dynamics of movement in her own body. So that body movements, her proprioceptive linkages, here linkages again, are restructured, retuned by her trainer, Asha. That's what training is. So for this particular guy, we were giving him a new linkage structure of knowledges and learnings and information and wide amount of reading he had already. But in this case, when he discovered that I did not say anything new, that was a linkage perception. But at the same time, he couldn't see the linkage that he had that perception because of this interaction. Get the point?
Yeah.
So, this is a tragedy of human intellect. When all the knowledges of sciences and arts and philosophies and literatures, sciences and technologies have been created by those original creative intellects. They learn all these things and they are not able to replicate their intellectual engines to replicate the same perception of the environment. Let's take the case of so-called religiousness. Someone originally could see the linkages of events and phenomena and entities, their expressions, and the possibility of a superior agent operating somewhere in the universe for some religions, everywhere in the universe for some other religions, like in the case of so-called Hinduism. So they have learned all those things. Okay. Some of them have really understood all those things. Some of them have even perceived the spirit of the truth of that learning. But still, in their actual life of expressions and behaviors and responses and interactions with people, they are not able to represent, rather, they are not able to engage their knowledge in the universality of their God in the expressions of the events and episodes and people they come across in their life. Get the point?
Yeah.
That so-called karma philosophy, so-called giving one's psyche or soul in one's expressions, like Mahatma Gandhi did, or all the super geniuses were representing. This is where the need of that linkage perception. I am the one who have been to the temple in the morning, or the mosque in the morning, or church in the morning, and genuinely felt the presence of God. I mean, they say, I don't say, or let's say so, okay?
Yeah.
And